Rotisserie cooking is principally used for rolled roasts and poultry. Here's an excellent way to cook cauliflower. Begin by rinsing the head of cauliflower. Pierce the base with a paring knife, then secure on the spit rod by inserting through the cauliflower. Then install the spit rod onto the frame that you secure on the pan that comes with the oven. Be sure to center the heads of cauliflower so that they'll get an even heat distribution from the broil element. Place the pan on the first rack level and adjust the roast so the spindle attached to the holding frame engages in the opening in the rear of the oven. The left rotary knob is to adjust your cooking modes in the oven. For this recipe, we're selecting broil. Use the right knob to adjust to your temperature. For this recipe, we're turning down to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Select rotisserie icon to start. For a timer, select the clock icon. Adjust the right rotary knob to your preferred time. In this recipe, we're going to choose 45 minutes. Then press your start button. The large window and interior enamel in the oven provides a beautiful cooking presentation in your kitchen. When cooking is complete, take caution when removing the cauliflower from the hot spit rod. For an easy cleanup, place the spit rod and frame into water to remove any baked-on debris.